I'm going to do a tool review. This is the set of hand tools you buy from Themrhelperguy. It's a 5-piece set. I've used them quite a bit, mostly around the house. But I will have to say, if you're you probably couldn't get away with using them on the job site. The pliers are big. The quality of these tools is right underneath the craftsman tool. Linesman's pliers. Wire cutters. These aren't too, let's say, bulky. They feel a little bit chintzy. Needle nose pliers, they feel pretty good. And the channel locks actually seem like a nice pair of channel locks. So, I mean, channel locks, I'm mostly impressed with the channel locks. They seem to be a nice set. So, as much as I would like to bash the foreign tools, this tool set is not that bad. Tell you again, it's right around or just under craftsman tools. Maybe one step under craftsman tools. So I would still recommend the craftsman on the job site, but for home usage, there's nothing wrong with these. These are excellent. And you could still get away with these on the job site. And their quality is borderline in that regard. So there you have it. It's my tool review on the Themrhelperguy 5-piece hand tools.